Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your voice on Umingle. First, open your browser and search for Voicemod. Then go to the official website and click the download button. Here you will need to connect your Google account and after that the download will start. Once the download is finished, install the program. After the installation is complete, it will launch automatically. Now click Get Started and it will open your browser so you can log in with your account. Next, select your working microphone. After that, the program will open and you can choose a voice or customize your own voice effect. Now, open Umingle and go to the microphone settings. Then select microphone or the default microphone option. That's it. Your voice changer should now work with Umingle. Try it out and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.